Yes. So I made the connections, and just if you see, just I connect the main power supply, and just I connected the this is the connection is going to the main power supply board. It will control the relay. It is a basically protection, as I told. And here I connected the here I connected the control voltage, like 18 volts, dual 18 volts. So basically it will split into 5 volts and 5 volts for logics, and another other voltages for the pre-amplifier section, and it will the same power supply, it will go to the fans also. And let's see, here also in the output section, so 2 relays are there. This is also speaker protection, and this one I didn't connect it anywhere. Just I'm going to turn on. Yes, so earlier I didn't connect the front panel indicator connector or bus. Okay, then I'm going to turn on. See, just it is turning on. It is not like a basically main fix, because of just we didn't provide the amplifier power supply. Just I'm seeing that whether that all the control panel, this everything is working or not. And in this particular amplifier, right, lot of protection, you can say speaker protection and any short circuit protection, and even transformers is also protection. Okay, this particular one, it is having the NTC inside the transformer winding. NTC is there, depending upon the transformer heat, in case of its overheat, and it will completely amplifier itself get shut down. That kind of protection is there. This is like as I told, like it's very complex and more secure protection oriented amplifier. And if you guys have, anybody is having MJL 3218 MJL 3281 power transistor, just let me know. If you can give it to me, that will more help for me. Already I placed the order, but it will take 1 month. And all these power transistors, I replaced it, and I use this particular heatsink compound. There it is saying like a SC151. Let's see. Yeah, this, as I told, like if you have any thoughts on this, like repair, like troubleshooting kind of suggestions, you can please provide me. Thanks. Bye. As I told, like I have other amplifiers also, like some vintage amplifiers. I have some BPL digital sound processor 2000 series. I have just I will keep posted. Just you can give your thoughts on this, how to repair. If I miss anything, just let me know in the repair or diagnosis wise. Thanks. Bye.